Good afternoon, folks. After a harrowing drive last night and this morning, oh my goodness, and a wonderful breakfast and a somewhat harrowing and somewhat okay drive, all this afternoon I finally stopped because I need sleep. And what you are looking at is the Hotel of Wawa. That's right. I had to stop in Wawa because as a hitchhiker, we have always been told never, ever, ever get dropped in Wawa because you could be stuck here for like a month. Having that fabulous little thing right there that you see right there, that black thing I'm going to walk over to now, my beautiful car, I decided to stop in Wawa. And there's a lovely downtown and a lovely lake that I'm going to now go and take a nap because I'm tired. Because it's been raining so much I couldn't see the road. So today I think is like, I don't know, day number 9 or something. I'm tired. Hi. I'm tired though, so I'm just looking at this update. I'm trying to get to Toronto. But I got really good news. I hear John David Adams with Jameson. So I get to see both of them. I'm so excited. Other update. Oh, I almost got killed. Some truck came right at me in like a double solid yellow line, was trying to pass in the oncoming traffic, and I had to stop and pull over. He would have hit me. God, the drivers are driving me crazy. What else? I saw wildlife. I dodged a skunk. It was a very good dodge. I think that's about it. So, you know, I'm driving and driving and driving, and I'm slowly trying to get to Toronto. And I didn't sleep because I slept in the car and I couldn't sleep. So I'm gonna go and try and nap now. Okay. Okay, bye. Wawa. Check this shit out. It's a really cool little town, I guess.